Start பண்ணு.
Good morning everyone. This is Dr. M. Julie, Assistant Professor at Zillium College of Arts and Science, as the Department of Commerce. Now we are going to take about partnership accounts. This is the definition of partnership. So Indian Partnership Act 1932 say the section 4 defines the partnership is the relation between the persons who have agreed to share the profit of a business carried by all or any of them acting for all. The two or more persons joining together for doing such a business for earning more profit is called a partnership. Partnership deed. Deed is a instrument of money agreement between partners of a firm. This agreement defines details like nature of the business, duties and rights of partners, their liabilities and the ratio in which they will divide a profit or losses of the firm in equal ratios. Content of partnership deeds, the name of the firm, name and the details of the partners, date of commencement of a business, duration of the firm's existence, capital contributed by each partner, profit and loss sharing ratio, interest on capital payable to partners, the extent of borrowings each partner can draw, salary payable of partners, the procedure of admission or retirement of a partner, the method used for calculating goodwill, preparation of accounts of the firm, mode of settlement of dues with a deceased partner, executors, the procedure followed in case disputes arise between the partners. These are the partnership deed. Next, we are going to see rules applicable in the absence of partners deed. There is some rules for partnership deed. So now we are going to see the rules. What is applicable to the rules? First one, profit sharing ratio. Second, interest on loan. Third, interest on capital. Fourth one, salary to the partners. Fifth one, interest on joints. First, we are going to see about interest on capital. Interest on capital is the interest allowed on capital of the partners. In generally, we are talk about the interest on capital as like if the capital of partners are disappropriate to the profit sharing ratio, the partners may agree to allow interest of the capital to the partners. It allowed only when there is profit and it is provided before division of the calculation of capital, interest on capital, and this is the calculation of interest on capital. So, thank you.